Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Bluetooth speaker, how to connect with our phone, Samsung phone. Friends, you want to connect guys to Bluetooth speaker with your phone. So how can you connect in this video friends? I am going to show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like my video. So friends, now let's see guys how to connect Bluetooth headphone. Oh sorry friends, Bluetooth speaker. Friends, click on your phone setting guys and scroll it. Friends, you can see your phone connection setting guys. Tap here, click on guys your phone Bluetooth, and guys I have on guys my speaker, and guys in your speaker friends you can see guys this Bluetooth press icon. So you will have to press on guys your Bluetooth icon. Then guys you can connect your Bluetooth speaker. Then guys we will on our phone Bluetooth setting guys. After on Bluetooth setting guys you will have to refresh. After refresh guys you can see guys your speaker name. So I have the JBL speaker guys. I will tap here to connect. You can see this notification guys. Tap here the right side. As you can see connected for calls and audio. So when you want to pick up call, so when you can pick up call guys, you can see this icon, pick up call icon, and a volume button. So like that guys you can connect, and guys you can use your Bluetooth speaker while listening song. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Bye guys.